Welcome all of you in Roy's Mantra. Today I am going to discuss a topic from NCERT Class 10, the rise of nationalism. Today's topic is hunger, hardship and popular revolt. In the previous class, I had discussed about the romantic imagination and the national feeling. How did the national feeling arose in Europe? So after this national feeling, the year 1830s were years of great economic hardship. People were facing various problems in the economic sphere of their life. In the first half of the 19th century, the number of population increased very much in Europe. So number of job seekers were more than the employment. Therefore, people migrated to the cities from the rural areas for seeking jobs. At this time, small producers in towns were often faced with stiff competition from imports of cheap machine-made goods from England. Actually, in England was going through the industrialization age. That's why they could make machine-made finished goods, and they could sell them in low prices. But the small producers were unable to produce these kind of articles, so they faced a steep competition from them. This was especially in the textile production, which was carried out mainly in homes or small workshops and was only partly mechanized. But some regions of England where the aristocracy still enjoyed powers, peasants struggled under the burden of feudal dues and obligations. They were still in the burden of feudal dues. Moreover, the rise of food prices or a year of bad harvest led to widespread problem in town and country. In the year 1814 was one such year. Food shortages and widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris out on the road, and they create barricades which made Louis Philippe forced to flee. And the common people made a national assembly and proclaimed a republican place. And in that republic, they granted suffrage to all adult male above 21 years, and they granted the right to work. Also, National Assembly created workshop to provide employment to the people. So here I should mention that earlier in 1845, weavers in Sicilia had led a revolt against contractors who supplied them raw materials and gave them order for finished textiles, but drastically reduced their payments. The journalist William Wolff described the events in Sicilia like this. You can see in your NCERT book class 10 history. So what to understand after discussion of this topic means, in the year 1830s there were great economic hardship for the small producers, poor people, because Small producers were facing a great problem, means the industrialization made them very a great competition, because they could not made finished product with the help of cheap investment, but the industrialist could made cheap product with lower investment. So they are created a great problem for the poor people and common people, and food shortages and widespread unemployment brought the people of Paris out on the road. So this is the topic, small discussion. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, you can like my channel. Thank you.